In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com forms to capture leads, conduct surveys, and more. Monday forms are a fantastic tool that allows you to streamline data collection directly into your workflow, making your project management more efficient and organized. Let's dive into how you can set this up. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, navigate to the board where you want the form submissions to be recorded. This is important because forms in Monday.com are directly tied to boards. Every response you get through the form will automatically create a new item on the board you select, keeping everything organized in one place. Next, you'll want to access the form's view. To do this, look towards the top right of your board and click on plus Add View. From the list of options, select Form. You'll then be prompted to name your form view. So think about a clear title like Project Intake Form or Client Request Form depending on your needs. With your form created, it's time to customize the form fields. Each column from your board can become a form field. For instance, a text column will turn into a text input on the form. A people column becomes a drop-down, allowing users to select team members and so on. This flexibility enables you to gather all necessary information efficiently. To decide which fields to include in your form, simply toggle their visibility in the form settings. It's also a good idea to provide instructions or descriptions for each field if needed. Clear guidance can significantly improve the accuracy and completeness of your submissions. This little effort ensures that users are informed about what information is required in each part of the form. You can customize the form layout to suit your preferences. Drag and drop fields to reorder them. Mark any fields as required if they are essential for the submission. Additionally, you have options to adjust the form title, header, and color scheme to align with your branding. This personal touch helps make the form more user-friendly and professionally aligned with your organization's identity. Once your form is ready, you need to think about sharing it. Copy the form link provided by Monday.com. You can share this link with internal teams, clients, or even external users through email, chat, or by embedding it on your website. If you want to take things a step further, you can use the embed code provided to integrate the form seamlessly into your site for easier access. As submissions start coming in, each form entry will automatically create a new item in your board. These responses will populate according to your set fields, allowing you to track, assign, and update submissions just like any other items in Monday.com. It's a seamless way to keep your projects moving forward smoothly. Finally, take advantage of Monday.com automations to handle responses efficiently. For instance, set up notifications for your team members whenever a new form is submitted. You can also automatically assign submissions to specific people, or even change their status or group based on the responses. This automation ensures nothing slips through the cracks, keeping your workflow efficient and organized. By following these steps, you'll make the most out of Monday.com forms, lead your projects with better data, and keep your team constantly in the loop. So, go ahead and start exploring the potential of Monday.